Beneath the banyan, shadows fall. Whispers of the river call. Laughter echoes in the breeze, healing hearts with memories. Fields of golden sunlit weeds, wandering paths beneath our feet. Hand in hand we softly tread, future bright ahead, it said. Hope on the horizon, light breaking through. Every step we take unravels something new. With every breath we're stronger, healed anew. Hope on the horizon, me and you. Stars above, they guide our way. Moonlight dances, leads astray, softly humming ancient tunes, mending hearts under silver moons. The mountains rise, the peaks so high, dreams like eagles soaring sky.
500. 400. 100 above. 200. Minimum. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5.
5.
Healed anew, hope on the horizon, me and you. Hope on the horizon, me and you. The wind whispers secrets through the trees, ancient tales of hearts once at ease. Beneath the sky where the sparrow flies, healing comes with the breaking dawn's rise. Fields of gold where the wildflowers sway, mountains stand tall at the break of day. Footsteps soft on the evergreen floor, warmth of the sun